Imagine standing on the edge of the world, the thunderous roar of water echoing in your ears and a cloud of mist rising around you. Welcome to the first stop on our journey, the majestic Victoria Falls. Cocooned within the heart of southern Africa, where the Zambezi River rumbles over a cliff and plunges into a deep chasm, Victoria Falls stands as one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. Straddling the border between Zimbabwe and Zambia, this colossal curtain of water stretches over a mile wide and plummets over 300 feet into the Batoka Gorge below. Victoria Falls, or Mosi Watunya, meaning the smoke that thunders as it's known by the locals, is a sight that leaves one breathless. The cascading waters create a misty veil that can be seen from miles away, painting a permanent rainbow across the African sky. But it's not just the falls that are a spectacle. The surrounding rainforest, kept alive by the constant mist from the falls, is a haven for unique wildlife. From the chattering monkeys swinging in the trees to the elegant antelopes grazing nearby, the falls are a theater of life, a symphony of the wild. For the thrill-seekers among us, Victoria Falls is a playground. The mighty Zambezi River, with its churning rapids, offers one of the world's best whitewater rafting experiences. Those with a head for heights can leap into the abyss with a bungee jump from the Victoria Falls Bridge. And for a more serene experience, a sunset cruise along the river, with the falls as a backdrop, is an unforgettable experience. An exploration of Victoria Falls is an immersion into the incredible beauty and power of our natural world. Every moment here is a revelation, a chance to connect with the pulse of the planet, to feel the heartbeat of the wild. The Victoria Falls, a testament to the raw, untamed power of nature and a spectacle not to be missed. From the thunderous roar of water, we journey to the silent, stealthy realm of the king of the jungle in Hwange National Park. Picture this, a vast expanse of over 14,000 square kilometers, stretching as far as the eye can see. This is Hwange National Park, Zimbabwe's largest and oldest national park. It's a realm teeming with life, where the air is rich with the sounds of the wild, and the land is a living, breathing testament to the power and beauty of nature. Here, the wildlife is as diverse as the landscapes they inhabit. Hwange is home to over 100 mammal species and 400 bird species, making it one of the most biodiverse regions in Africa. It's a place where you can witness the majesty of the Big Five, the lion, leopard, rhinoceros, elephant, and Cape buffalo up close and personal. But Hwange is more than just a haven for wildlife. It's a place where you can truly immerse yourself in the wild. Guided safari walks offer an intimate experience with nature, taking you into the heart of the park, where you become a part of the wild. You'll feel the thrill of spotting a lion on the prowl, the awe of seeing an elephant herd at a watering hole, and the joy of bird-watching at sunrise. And after a day of exploring, there's nothing quite like retiring to a luxury camp. Imagine falling asleep under a canopy of stars, lulled by the sounds of the African night, and waking up to the sunrise painting the sky in hues of gold and crimson. It's the kind of experience that stays with you, a memory etched in your heart. Hwange National Park isn't just a destination, it's an adventure that invites you to step out of your comfort zone, to embrace the wild, and to discover a world that's as fascinating as it is beautiful. Hwange National Park, a patchwork quilt of savanna, woodland, and desert, where every day is a new adventure. Leaving the wild behind, we journey into the past, to the mysterious ruins of Great Zimbabwe, a testament to the grandeur of an ancient civilization. Our journey takes us to a world unlike any other, a place where stone structures speak of a rich cultural past. Great Zimbabwe, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, was once a flourishing city, the heart of a powerful kingdom that held sway over the region between the 14th and 17th centuries. Today, it stands as a silent reminder of a civilization that once thrived here. The city was built entirely of stone, without mortar, a testament to the architectural prowess of its builders. The Great Enclosure, the largest single pre-colonial structure in sub-Saharan Africa, is a marvel of ancient engineering. It stretches over 250 meters in circumference, its walls rising as high as 11 meters, linking the past to the present in a tangible, enduring way. The history of Great Zimbabwe is shrouded in mystery. Local folklore speaks of a mythical bird that was said to rule over the city. This bird, depicted in soapstone carvings found at the site, has become a symbol of the nation, gracing the country's flag and national emblems. Yet, despite its historical significance, Great Zimbabwe is not trapped in the past. A mere 30 kilometers away lies the city of Masvingo, a bustling modern city that offers a stark contrast to the ancient ruins. Here life moves with the rhythm of the present, yet the echoes of the past are never far away. The ruins of Great Zimbabwe serve as a bridge between two worlds, connecting the ancient and the modern, the mythological and the historical. They evoke a sense of wonder and curiosity, inviting us to delve deeper, to explore the mysteries they hold, and to marvel at the richness of a civilization that once was. Great Zimbabwe, a window into the past where history whispers in the wind. From the whispers of history, we travel to the serene shores of Lake Kariba, a man-made marvel nestled in the wild. There's something incredibly audacious about creating a lake, don't you think? Yet that's exactly what happened in the late 1950s when the Kariba Dam was built, birthing the world's largest man-made lake by volume. Lake Kariba stretches across the border between Zimbabwe and Zambia, a watery mirror reflecting the vast African sky. Home to a wealth of wildlife, Lake Kariba is a safari destination with a twist. Instead of peering through the undergrowth for a glimpse of a leopard or stalking the plains in search of elephants, here you'll be watching the water for the telltale signs of the lake's most famous inhabitant, the tigerfish, with its fearsome teeth and fighting spirit. Hooking one of these giants is a thrill that would give any land-based safari a run for its money. But don't worry, if battling behemoth fish isn't your idea of a relaxing holiday, there's plenty more to enjoy on Lake Kariba. How about a houseboat holiday? Imagine drifting across the mirror-like surface of the lake, the sun setting behind the hills, casting long, languid shadows across the deck. The only sounds are the gentle lapping of the water against the hull and the distant calls of the African bush. It's a chance to switch off, to disconnect from the hustle and bustle and reconnect with nature. Or perhaps you'd prefer a fishing trip. Not for the tigerfish, but for the more than 40 other species that call Lake Kariba home. From the comfort of a boat, you can cast your line and wait for a bite, all while enjoying the stunning scenery and abundant wildlife. Lake Kariba, the perfect blend of relaxation and adventure, where the wild meets the tranquil. From the audacity of its creation to the serenity of its shores, it's a place that encapsulates the spirit of Zimbabwe, bold, beautiful, and entirely unforgettable. Finally, we arrive at our last destination, the stunning Matobo National Park, a landscape straight out of a surrealist painting. This extraordinary place is a geological wonder, sculpted by the relentless forces of nature over countless millennia, resulting in an array of unique rock formations that defy gravity and imagination. The park is home to the largest concentration of prehistoric rock art in southern Africa, a testament to the ancient sand people who once roamed these lands. These intricate drawings, etched into the stone with ochre and charcoal, offer a tantalizing glimpse into a time long past, a vibrant tapestry of human history painted upon the canvas of the earth. But Matobo National Park is not just a relic of the past, it's a thriving ecosystem teeming with wildlife. Here you can find the elusive leopard perched high on the granite outcrops or the majestic eagle soaring through the azure African sky. The park is also home to both black and white rhinos, a rare and thrilling sight for any wildlife enthusiast. The park offers a range of exciting activities for the adventure seekers. Imagine the thrill of rock climbing on these ancient formations, each handhold a tangible connection to the past, each upward step a triumph of human spirit. Or picture yourself on a rhino tracking expedition, your heart pounding as you come face to face with one of nature's most magnificent beasts. Matobo National Park also offers tranquil moments for those seeking peace and serenity. Sit quietly by one of the many natural pools, the water's surface a mirror reflecting the endless African sky, the silence broken only by the gentle rustling of leaves in the breeze. Matobo National Park, a symphony of stone and sky, the perfect end to our journey through the beautiful landscapes of Zimbabwe.